What is going on, guys? It's Dan the Man, aka Daniel's son, and we have another food review. This time I'm doing the MOA Pringles Wavy Halo Special Edition chip. I hear this has a nice kind of like sweet ginger kind of taste, a little bit of heat to it, so I'm very interested to see how this this goes and tastes. This is the Halo Edition. Let's give it a go. Okay guys, so let's try this baby out. I'm very interested. It's the wavy kind, so if you can see the little waves on the chip, and you can see a little bit of the seasoning on there. So like I said, it's supposed to be have a little bit of pepper on there. Let's see if I get the camera. There it is. A little bit on the camera. Nice little waviness to it. Sometimes I like wavy chips, and sometimes I just like normal, smooth, or a nice little crisp. So let's give it a go. Okay. So I had to pick this up because, you know, it's the it's Halo edition. I love Halo. I love Master Chief, and I was intrigued by the MOA burger, so the burger taste, and when I bite into this chip, you immediately get a little bit of heat to it. You get the sweetness first, so it says it has like that sweet ginger taste. It reminds me of like having Panda Express, you know, and you get a little bit of this little sweet fire chicken. So you get a little bit of that, you get the sweetness first with a little bit of heat. It's not overly hot. I think if you eat, I think hot Cheetos are honestly hotter than this. But it brings out a nice little taste, nice little flavor. We're gonna give it a go again. So see if it gets even hotter as I continue to eat it. But people who are like, you know, can't handle heat too well, I can see them like eating a couple of these and then kind of being done with it. So. Oh yeah, it really reminds me like I'm eating Panda Express out of a can. Once again, you get like the sweet, you do get the little heat in the tip of your tongue. The chip itself, the waviness really makes it really nice. I actually really like the wavy crisp to it. It just really tastes like kind of like Panda Express, honestly. If you're like, you know, orange chicken could sometimes be spicy, so it kind of has that, but it's more on the, I would give it like a stir fry kind of, even maybe a little bit of teriyaki kind of taste to it. Now this is supposed to taste like a burger, and I've had a couple burgers where it has that nice little, you know, maybe chipotle sauce or like that sweet little spiciness to it. So that's what you kind of get. I like it. Out of like a lot of the Pringles flavors that have been coming out, I think they did a baconator Wendy's one, and I did not like that one at all. I thought that was really, just didn't taste good. It wasn't good. It wasn't the best that Pringles brought out there. But this one, the Pringles, this is a limited time only. So probably a shame, just, you know, I only got one can, but this one actually tastes pretty good. I don't get a lot of burger flavor. I get more sweet and spiciness to it, which I really like. But like I said, it's kind of like that sweet chili kind of spice to it. So if I had to rate it from a 1 out of 10, I would probably give this a 7.5 out of 10. It's a good flavor, it's a good taste. I can see a lot of people who maybe can't handle too much heat. If you're like, if you can't handle hot Cheetos, I can see this kind of creeping up on you after like the third chip, fourth chip. I think it's a good flavor. It's not wowing me, but it's a nice taste, so that's why I can get it. I can't go higher than over a 7.5. I can't give it a solid 8 because it's a good flavor, but for a limited time only, and for Pringles line of different flavors, it's good, but it's something that like I wouldn't be going out to buy, honestly. Like it was a good, nice little taste. I'll probably eat more of it, but you know it's really good when you're down to eat the whole damn can. But for this one, a couple of them here and there, put it back, couple of here and there, put it back. Overall 7.5 out of 10. good, not overly fantastic, but better than the Wendy's Baconator for sure. So thank you guys for listening. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, and if you want to go try it, I think these are still out in stores, limited time only, the MOA Wavy Pringles Halo Edition chips. So go check it out. Let me know your guys' thoughts if you liked it or not. So I'm Dan Danielson, and I am out of here. Maybe one more for the road, right?